everyone, this is Kay. I'm working on the video production right now and I have been learning about video editing. And today I'm gonna be doing something new to me. So I wanted to create this video so that I can learn by explaining about this so that I can be comfortably doing this more. And then if you are also new to video production and in the editing, you can benefit from this video about learning about how to erase the stuff from the video footage. So I have been doing photography for 10 years, and then for the photo, it's very easy to erase something from the picture. But the video, if the video is moving, or actually if the object is moving, it's very difficult to do because you have to be working on frame by frame. So anyways, this is the video that I shot from North Shore the other day, and using GoPro. This is underwater picture, the video that I was swimming and taking of the water and also the sun ray under the water. So it's very pretty, but one thing I didn't like about this video was that there's one particle of like a moss ball or some kind of seaweed was coming towards me, and it kind of bothered me, so I wanted to take it out. So just take a look at the raw video that I shot first, and then let's see if you can find it. Okay, so the beginning is very pretty. It's just like calm, beautiful underwater, and then it comes to the middle part and there is some green stuff coming towards me, which I don't like. Here we go. Did you spot that? So that's the part I'm talking about right here. This green object coming to me and going in front of the camera and past. So don't you think that if this thing doesn't exist here, everything is clean and nice shots, right? So here's my attempt that I wanted to erase this object. So first of all, I needed to do make this video into smaller segments depending on where the object is on the frame. The reason because I wanted to make a small one is because when I do Photoshop, I have to do small parts, little bits of the little bit at the same time because there are some textures on the back. I'm not sure if you see this like straight lines going down vertically. So I don't want to affect that part because it does look very unnatural. So that's why I needed to make smaller segments so that I can be working on each little section of the objects moving around. So let's start from this very big part, the obvious part, yeah? So I'm gonna start from this one segment here. So the object is starting from here and then ending up right here. So I'm gonna try to create the mask on this part, yeah? So go to this shot and then I'm gonna select this clip and then export frame. Format this PNG and click OK, and then I'm gonna have this on the left hand side that that's the still photo that is coming from the video segment. So I'm gonna open this in Photoshop and then create this part into a nice clean shot here. Save this and then go back to Premiere and then try put this on. Oh, come on. Try put this on here underneath of the parts that I wanted to work on and create the same links as the segment here like this, yeah? Okay, so this is a still photo and this is the video footage, right? So it's moving, it's here. So I'm gonna erase this using the mask. So select this one and then go to the left hand side on the top effect control and then go to create ellipse mask. So I'm just gonna make this one and I need to click inverted, and the part that I'm going to be working on is just right here. So I'm going to create smaller parts right here and then try to make feather. So this is a part that I needed to work on, so I click here. Maybe actually, let's see. Yeah, so it looks like it's gone, the part that I have the pink. Alright, so this segment is over. Next segment, so goes to this part. This is actually long, so I'm just going to break into two also. So break this into the half. Okay, and then I'm just going to work on the second part here, okay? In the second part too, it's actually moving a lot. Oh my god. Okay, so it's not really exciting, but I have to do one by one, I guess. Okay, so the same thing. So go to here, try and make a PNG file, and then go to Photoshop by like right click and then erase this part, save, go back, and then I put this over here, the same length as the original clip, like here, and I put this underneath, and then I will create the mask by selecting here and then go to the mask, invert, and then adjust the size here. I don't want to make it too big because like I said earlier, that I don't want to lose other textures, so I just want to make it as little as possible, like here. So this part is also gone. Do you see that? Okay, let's do a few more so that you can see in the video how it is done. Okay, so this part, this is actually staying in the pretty same spot. Okay, here and here, yeah. Okay, so do the same thing. Make a PNG and then go to Photoshop and then erase the part that you don't want to have, like this, and save it. And go back and put this onto the area that you want to fix on. Make the same length as the video right here, and then go down and then try and make this mask, invert, and here try to create as small as possible, but it's covering the parts that it has to be covered, like this. Okay, so this flame also is gone. Let's do two more and see what we can do. Yeah. Okay, so this part, it has a little particle flying here. It's pretty long too, but I think it should be fine. So here, make PNG and go to Photoshop. Oh, come on. Go to Photoshop and then work on the parts that you want to erase, like this. Okay, it should be covering everything here. Save it, go back, and then put this exactly the same thing. It's like the action is pretty similar, pretty simple, but it's just time taking because it's not that still compared to Photoshop for the photos. Okay, so here, go back to the video, and then I'm gonna work on making a mask again, invert it, and make the size smaller, like this, and make a feather to make it more natural, like this. Okay, so this clip also erasing everything. Okay, here's the last clip that I wanted to work with you today. Exactly the same thing. Screen capture, PNG, and make this work on Photoshop. Okay, erase and save. Okay, and then put this here, make the same length. make it shorter right here. Okay, and then put this down and then work on the mask. So this was kind of moving, so it starts from here and oh, actually, yeah, like these two right here too. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna work on here, click this and make opacity, invert, and adjust the size like this. Okay, and here, cover it, make a feather, and it should be done. Okay, so I'm gonna be working on this left part. It's actually more, you know, this particle is traveling, but then the rest of here that I worked on, it's gone now. Do you see that? So let's see that it's the time traveling. There is a black hole and then the little moss is disappearing. So let's see what I worked on today. Okay, all right, so start it. Mouse is coming and disappear. Did you see that? One more time. The mouse is coming and disappear. There you go. Okay, so this is the tutorial about how to erase the object in the moving video, and I hope you enjoy it and I hope you learned something. I'm learning so many new stuff right now also, and I hope that you're learning, keep learning, and then becoming a better version of yourself every single day. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Aloha.